Okay, folks, 68 Charger update. He ended up selling the car, and last time you saw it, it was sitting out in the field, didn't have any fenders on it, and didn't have a rear end under it, and different things. And I don't even remember if the doors were on it, but he has got the car sold now. These Chargers are remarkable. They sell quick and easy, but just not cheap. So when you start bolting the parts back on, it looks a lot more complete. So as I told you in the first video, this is a restorable car. A lot of the parts are inside the car. I think there's some knee panels that go with it. But pretty cool. So don't be scared to drag one of these things out of a field or out of the woods, because parts are available for these cars. And start putting it together, and somebody will come along and make you an offer on it. And save another one, I say. Well, I'll let it sit. I know where one's at too. Probably should get it. I know where a couple of these are at, to be honest with you. Maybe I should put my money where my mouth is. What do you think? Go get one of my own. I really love this. This is cool. So you can buy all this stuff from AMD and I think a couple other suppliers. I ain't saying it'll be in stock, but you can get it eventually. So there you have it. The old 68 Charger is going to go to a new home. And the rear end is under it. I sold him. Oops. I done made a mess. Lord have mercy, he gonna come here and whoop up on me. I'm not sure if that goes with it or not. Yeah, I guess it does. All right, there you have it, folks. 68 Charger. All right, Bob out. I can hook my winch to it now. Yeah, me and Gary, we went and picked this Charger up in Siler City, North Carolina. I'm the one that brought it to his shop for him.
Oh, really?
Yeah. All the way from Siler City. All right, folks, there she goes, coming up on the trailer. We are loading it backwards because there's no engine in it. The engine's actually sitting on the She's a little close on this one.
Yeah.
She's starting to run off a little bit.
It'll be all right.
68 Dodge Charger big block. It is not an RT, just a regular Charger.
All right.
We're originally a 383 car. The wheels turn to the right. She's on there little cattywampus. All right, folks. The little Charger's gonna go to a new home.